Hey guys, we're not going to waste any time. We're just going to show you how to tell if a watermelon is ripe by giving you a few indicators. First of all, this watermelon's a little bit small. Do you think it's ready? Well, first we look right here. We look for the tendril that is closest to the melon. If the tendril that is closest to the melon is wilted like this, that's a good indicator that this watermelon is ready. That's your first indicator. The second indicator is, what does it sound like? This one never works for us. The third indicator is, does it have yellow on the bottom? A lot of watermelons have a yellow spot on the bottom. It goes from white to a yellow. This tells you between this and this that this thing is probably ripe. And also, if you planted it and it says it's 90 days to maturity or 110 days to maturity or whatever, just kind of get an idea from when you planted it to when you are picking it, and you know that you're at least in the ballpark. If it's only been out here for a few weeks, it's not going to be ready. So that right there should be a ready watermelon. This is one of the later watermelons off of that vine, and it's a good thing we picked it because it would have been overripe if we hadn't. It's perfectly sweet and it's perfectly delicious. And now you have a few tips that will help you find how a watermelon is ripe. For more tips and tricks and lots of gardening ideas, hit like and subscribe and join me here on this channel. I'm David the Good, and until next time, may your thumbs always be green.